Wolf, we are so sorry to see you go, but we cannot wait to see your famous face.
Yeah.
But before we get to that, panel, we need some final guesses.
Well, you know, I'm pretty sure I know that strong, velvety, sexy tone, but I'm just trying to figure out what's the connection to Andy Garcia, right? And I remember there was a movie called When a Man Loves a Woman.
I love that movie.
With Andy Garcia and Meg Ryan,
Yes.
and the main song of the movie was sung by the Wolf himself. That's Mr. Michael Bolton.
Nicole, what you got?
When I first saw the clue package, I was getting rico, suave vibes. However, rico, suave has not won a Grammy. But Michael Bolton has won a Grammy.
Yes.
So I think that the Wolf is Michael Bolton. Thank you.
You know who else has won a Grammy? Oh, I don't know. Richard Marx. All the hearts and... Hey!
Ken.
He is the king of romance.
You're losing fan.
No. I'm a lover, not a fighter. And so is Richard Marx. Look at him. Look at his face.
Yo, to be the Riddler, you definitely don't have a clue.
No.
Hey!
Oh, okay, Cannon Man. I'll meet you in the parking lot.
Listen,
Oh, I'm sorry.
sit down,
All right,
Ken.
I'll shut up.
Nicole and Robin, I totally agree with you. You hear that voice. You hear that iconic, beautiful voice. This is the amazing Michael Bolton.
Nice.
All right. Well, you've all made your final guesses. Let's see if any of you are correct. Audience, say it with me. You know the drill. Take it off.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Richard Marx. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
Who is it?
Take it off.
Take it off.
The legendary icon himself, multi-Grammy Award winning our friend Michael Bolton.
We love you. We love you.
So great to have you here with us.
Wow.
Good to be here.
Now, Mr. Bolton, what was it like being the Wolf?
I could get used to being the Wolf. It was great. The audience was great. The show was great. But the audience, you guys were fantastic. Thank you.
You're so loved.
Michael, it's an honor always to hear you sing. No one does it like you.
No
and you
one.
do it still so gracefully
Yes.
and effortlessly.
So, what's next for the Wolf?
Got some things going on, an album coming out in the spring.
Yeah, there you go.
It's about making this a beautiful world. Despite whatever's going on,
Beautiful.
whatever the climb, we got to do our best to make it a beautiful world. That's what the song is about.
There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the presence of greatness.
Yeah.
How about we get one more song?
Yes!
Make some noise for the artist formerly known as the Wolf, the one and only Michael Bolton.
Yes! Yes!
Yeah, Michael!
I love this song.
Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to carry on?
Yes!
When all that I've been living for is gone.
Yes, Michael!
Wow, such a treasure, such a treat. Michael Bolton.
The Bolt.